These memories will
Yo, welcome back,
stay
fam.
with me.
Yesterday we took an afternoon swim. Look what we found. It's like a jelly substance. Not too sure what it is, but what do you guys think it is? It's like a weird jelly substance that came off of something else. Anyhow, we let Brother Dunes do some swimming, enjoyed the afternoon, and he found something else in the pond. Wasn't too sure what it is. Check out these pictures. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your guys' day.